Hey everybody, welcome to Will's Treasures and welcome to Saturday. We are on the premiere train today where we have 5 people today on the train. You're here at Will's Treasures, then we're going to John Wolfe Prospecting, then to Gold Sniping Farmer, then to Ringmaster Ray, and to pull us into the station we have Mrs. Croyne Crew. So we have a short train today. So stick around with us and enjoy the ride. So you can see, I like my Constitutional Silver, and I bought these this week. I got a really good deal on them. Had to buy a bunch, but well worth it because it's fun to have. It's easy to get rid of if you need to, but more importantly, it is just beautiful. And the history of it is amazing. What do we got in here? We have some Mercury dimes. So yeah, I got me some Constitutional. And this is one of my favorite things to collect, not only for the history, the beauty. It is just a great way to stack silver for a reasonable price most of the time. So we're going to look through some of these Mercury dimes today and see if we have anything exciting. I have my camera set up. I'm going to move this up here so you can see what I'm seeing. There you go. So we got a 42. I wonder if there's any mint mark on this. No, 42 from Denver, from Philly. There's a 41. These all got some wear on them, but that's to expect being the age that they are. 1938. All from Philly so far. 40s. I don't expect to find anything exciting, but if you're wondering, that's where the mint mark should be. Being that these were bought circulated 1940, and that's from Denver. You can see the D nice and clear right there. So we got one from Denver, the rest from Philly. The 38, no mint mark on that. 37. This is actually one of my favorite dimes. I love the Winged Liberty. It's just a beautiful design. 1936. No mint mark on that. 45. No mint mark. Most of them are in the 40s. That's common if you're gonna buy them from somebody. 41. Another one from the 30s. All from Philly though. Gotta find something from San Francisco. I like the S mint mark ones. 43. I'm going through them quick. I'm just looking at the dates and the mint marks. Not looking for any errors or oddities. 44. Save that for another day. Still on that hunt for that 1916D. I know I'm going to have to buy it one day. I know I'm not going to find one. But I need one at a reasonable price, and it's going to have to be slabbed. Because that is one coin that people like to counterfeit. They'll try to add the D to the back of the dime. That's why I want it certified. Graded. Wow, all Philly. Oh, there's another Denver. Second Denver. $45. More from Denver. I haven't bought Constitutional in a while. So this was kind of a nice purchase. Another one from the 30s. And from Denver. All right, 3 from Denver. 42. Another 30s. $44. Nothing. 45. From Philly. Another 45. From Philly. Trying to get through this whole roll. 1940. So who else stacks Constitutional? I have a very hard time calling it junk silver because of the history of it. Here's a dark one, 43. Hard to see that one. Another 43. 43 and 44 were very common years. 40. Nothing. I think I got about 10 more to go. 45. There's an S. San Francisco. We're on the board. Very cool. Clearly see that S. So 45S. I'm not sure if that was the year where they had a micro S. I'd have to go to the book and take a look, or if that was the 42. Can't remember. There's the Denver. 36. Nothing there. 44. Another 44 from Philly. Another 30s. $42 from Philly. This one is super worn. We got a 1918. Lots and lots of wear on it. Earliest one so far. What kind of mint mark do we have? You couldn't even tell. This is super smooth. So that's the earliest one we have, 1918. Always good to get one in the teens. There's another Denver. Getting down to the last few. 43. San Francisco coming in at the end. 39. Another Denver. All right. We're getting a variety here. 2 left. 45. Another S. 3 from San Francisco. And And we're down to, that was the last one. Look at this. We got a stack here from Philly. We got 2, 4, 6 from Denver. And we got 3 from San Francisco. Pretty cool altogether. Nice hunt. I was hoping to get to some of these Walking Liberty halves. I think there's a mix in here. Or maybe it's all just Walking Liberties. Oh, here we go. We got a couple barbers. A couple nice barbers. What's that? 1906. And a 1901. That's pretty cool. No mint mark on that one. This one's like painted gold at one time. Look at that. Well, that's gonna stay there. So we got 2 barbers. The rest are Walking Liberty halves. This one's super shiny. This one may have gotten polished at some point. I don't know. I have to take a closer look. There's the edge. Yeah. This one doesn't have a date. This one's worn. We'll go through these another day. 1946. And then I got this whole stack of Morgan dollars too. And there's Morgan. Oh no, they're all. Yeah, there's some Morgans. Most of them are piece dollars. It's all good. It's silver that's going into my stack. Very happy about that. So guys, let's keep this train a-rolling and head on to John Wolf Prospecting. But we'll leave you with this sound. Sound of silver. This is Will from Will's Treasures. I'll keep the train rolling.